Good morning, students. Today, in this third video of Standard A SS chapter number 30, Independent India, I am going to explain about Portuguese area, how we got back the areas which were governed by French people, how we have got, and how the new state Gujarat was made. Okay, my dear student, when India became independent, okay, in on 15th August, on 15th August 1947 we became independent. Okay, I have already explained. Okay, we were the problems we faced. Okay, but at that time forming the state, okay, forming the state was the problem. Okay, and we settled, okay, by giving the division A grade, B grade, C grade and D grade. The states were divided into different categories. Okay, the states were divided into A, B, C and D group. Okay, but what happened? The people of Madras state, okay, at that time people protested against this thing, and after that 1st October 1953 a new state was made. It was considered as Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh was the first state made on the basis of language. After that, in December 1953, in December 1953, the Prime Minister of Jawaharlal Nehru appointed a committee, okay, in order to form states, okay, and that is called uh, reformation of states, okay. And my dear student, under the leadership of retired judge of the Supreme Court Fazal Ali, okay, Fazal Ali, okay, a committee was made, and after that they submitted report on this submitted report also. And my dear student, after that new states were made, okay, 14 states and 6 union territories were made. Got it? Most of the states were made on the basis of language except Punjab and Bombay. And we know what happened. Okay, what happened? The students the students of Law College of Ahmedabad, they protested and demanded a new state on the basis of Gujarati language. Why? Because in a Bombay state, the people speaking two languages, the two people speaking Marathi language and people speaking Gujarati language, they were the part of Bombay state. So the students of Law College, they protested, okay. And my dear student, they did many demonstrations, okay, and they got the leaders like Indulal Yagnik, Jayanti Dalal, Brahm Kumar Bhatt, okay, and they started a movement that is called Maha Gujarat movement, okay. And my dear student, at last we got a new state, okay, Gujarat state. Earlier Bombay state was there, but Bombay state is divided into two parts, Maharashtra and Gujarat. And inauguration of Gujarat state was done on 1st May 1960. So Gujarat state was made. Earlier there was no Gujarat state. Gujarat state was made in the year 1960. Okay, inaugurated by silent worker Ravi Shankar Maharaj at Sabarmati Ashram. Where? Sabarmati Ashram. And my dear student, when Gujarat became a new state, who was the first Governor General? Mehdi Nawaz Jung. Mehdi Nawaz Jung was the first. Mehdi Nawaz Jung was the first governor, and Jivraj Mehta was the first Chief Minister of Gujarat. Got it? So 1st May is considered as the Gujarat Sthapna Din. Okay, it is also considered as the Gujarat Sthapna Din. Not only for Gujarat, it is also for the people of Maharashtra. Got it? My dear student, at that time, some areas were when Britishers left, okay, we became free. Still some areas were under the Portuguese people and French people. Okay, the French, Yarnam, Mahe, Chandranagar, okay, Karakoram, they were under French people. Okay, and they people wanted to join India. And that is why, okay, after some discussion, the French handed over the state, and they left those areas, went to their country, and these areas became the part of India. But at that time, Diu, Daman and Goa, they were under Portuguese rule. And Portuguese people considered as the main status. They consider Goa as their status symbol, and because of that, they were not ready to hand over, and that is why many discussions we did, okay, many talks we did, okay, many satyagrahas were done, but everything went in vain. And at last, on 17th midnight December, okay, we started Operation Vijay. And at last we won the war, and we got the Daman Goa as a part of India. Okay, after that, my dear student, after independence, what happened? There was a state Pakistan, there was a state India. Okay, and at that time, Kashmir was another, we can say it was neither part of India nor Pakistan. But at that time, when Raja Hari Singh was the king of Kashmir, Pakistan attacked on Kashmir, and one third they have won, and that is why it is known as the area which is under Pakistan, that is called POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Okay, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Okay, and my dear student, we had four wars between India and Pakistan, and recently we know what happened at Kargil. Okay, we won Kargil war. And my dear student, okay, there were two agreements, covenant, we can say agreements were made in order to have a good relationship with India and Pakistan. They were known as a Shimla and Tashkent. Okay, Shimla and Tashkent agreement. Okay, and we did. Okay, but what happened? Pakistan is not following these agreements. Got it? So here we have learned about 4 states. Okay, earlier there were 4 categories, type of states were there, A, B, C, D. After that, they were formed on the basis of languages. Okay, Mumbai and Bombay and Punjab, they were not formed on the basis of language. Okay, that two languages were spoken. I have explained about Gujarat. Okay, I explained about Gujarat, Maha-Gujarat movement also. And after that, I also explained about Operation Vijay, how we have got Goa back, how we have got Goa back. And after that, when we got Goa back, after that it was Union territory, but later on it got a state of a fully state. Okay, earlier it was the part of Union territory. Now Diu and Daman, they are the part of Union territory, but Daman is now a separate independent state we can consider. Okay, I also explained about POK, Pakistan occupy Kashmir. Okay, Pakistan occupy Kashmir. So here we have learned, my dear student, when you see the picture, of Gandhi ji, you will find two ladies are there on both sides. Okay, and you have heard again and again, you have heard the name Mirabai. Mirabai, the name you have heard. Okay, when you read any chapter belong to Gandhi ji, okay, Gandhi ji many times just mentioned Mirabai, Mirabai. Who was that? Mirabai was not an Indian. Okay, she was not an Indian. Okay, she was a foreigner, and her name was Madeline Slade. Madeline Slade, and Mirabai name was given by Gandhi ji. Mirabai was, okay, Mirabai, this name was given by Gandhi ji. So here I have explained the chapter while discussing the thing. Okay, question answer I will explaining more. Thank you.